If you are here, that probably means two things. The first thing is that you have seen all of the videos out there on why meditation is just so great. You probably can list off all of the myriads of things that it does for you. It's basically like the ultimate miracle thing that every human being should do ever. But number two is that you probably can't do it. But why can't you do it? If you know that it's so good, and a lot of you probably have tried it, and you ended up failing. Now, I was right there with you guys not so long ago. A 2-minute meditation session was just the worst thing for me. I dreaded sitting down and sitting there for 2 minutes. But if you really think about it, meditation should not be that hard. You're literally doing nothing. How hard is nothing? Apparently very hard. So I took it upon myself to figure out a system, at least for me, that could help me meditate, because I realized that this was something that I really wanted to do, but that I really couldn't. So here is the system that I personally used to get from a dreaded 2-minute meditation to a 20 to 40-minute meditation that I am looking forward to, that I can do on a daily basis. Step one is to just start, but don't just randomly start. You have to start and then do it consistently, even if it's not a whole lot every single day. So start with 2 minutes, even if you have to grit your teeth and you hate every single second of it. You have to do it, and you have to do it every single day for at least a month. Because consistency is the number one key to building a habit, and you want to build this as like you would build any other habit. However, you still hate it. So what's next? Step number 2 is accepting. The biggest step I took towards meditation is actually accepting what is happening at the moment. Because most of the time, because of all of this input that you're constantly used to getting, that you're suddenly not getting, because when you're meditating, you're not, scrolling through Instagram or something like that. The number one best way that I found to actually build up this acceptance is to breathe into the base of your spine. And while you're doing that, view yourself from a third-person perspective. Look at everything that is happening in your brain. Look at all that internal resistance to what you're currently doing. Look at all of that negativity that you're putting out. And while you're breathing, imagine all of the things that are happening up here, putting down into your stomach, into the base of your spine. And with every breath, it gets deeper and deeper and deeper into your body. And then bring your awareness to the rest of your body and feel how your body is tensed. Feel the back of your neck. Feel how your muscles are slightly under tension. Feel everything in your body, but don't judge that as good or bad. Simply just be with it. Sit with it. Don't actually do anything about it. Just keep breathing into your spine. And trust me, this sounds super woo-woo, and when I first heard about it and when I first tried it out, I was like, this can't possibly work. But just try it. Actually, try it right now. Try it with me. So what you're going to do is you're going to breathe through your nose, and you're going to fill up your diaphragm. You're going to breathe so that your stomach actually starts to come out, because that is how you breathe deeply. And then you're going to imagine all of that breath going all the way into the base of your spine. Let's try this together. Into the base of your spine and out into the world. And see how you're a little more centered now? See how you're just a little more calm. Do that every single time you meditate. And breathe deep into your spine and accept everything that is going on in your body. Now, before I continue, if you found any of this insightful at all, please comment down below. I really want to know how I'm doing, and if you like this channel so far and you want to keep improving with me, then click that subscribe button, because I'll have a lot more content for you in the near future. Now, on to step 3. And step 3 is being grateful. Now again, it sounds a little wishy-washy, And I honestly thought that too, but when I implemented it, it really is a game changer. It's a game changer because you're now taking acceptance, so basically neutral emotions, and now you're bringing that into a positive realm, into something good. So how do you actually do that? Every time, you drift off and inevitably you come back, and then you're grateful for the fact that you were able to catch yourself and bring yourself back to center or whatever kind of meditation you're doing. And every single time, every single positive thing, you are grateful for that. You are grateful for the opportunity to learn. And it really is that simple. You just have to say, I am grateful. I am grateful. Actually, let's try this right now. Try saying, I am grateful. If you can out loud, but if you can't, in your head works just as well. I am grateful. And really accept the fact and don't resist yourself, because you'll naturally find there to be a little bit of resistance whenever you say it. I am grateful. In the beginning, you're going to be like, but am I grateful? I don't know. But when you say it over and over and over again, eventually you start believing in it. And when you use acceptance, when you kind of look at it from the third person point of view and you accept the fact that you are kind of tense about it and move on, then it really starts to become a good everyday part of your life. The fourth step is to do the previous steps. Really try them out. And then once you've tried them out, come back to this video and leave a little comment saying you tried them out, they worked, they didn't work, what you did, what you didn't do, and what, I can help you with next. So with that, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.